If you're holding crypto or cash in your VALR wallet, why not put it to work? VALR Earn shows all your yield opportunities on a single dashboard, personalized for you. To access these opportunities, log into your VALR app, tap Home, then select the Earn icon. This takes you straight to your personalized Earn dashboard. This is your Earn dashboard. Up top, VALR highlights a recommended selection. Below that, every eligible asset is sorted into 3 products: steady returns, on-chain earn, and variable earn. Let's go through each one. First up, steady returns, also known as staking. When you stake an asset like AVAX, SOL, or TRX, you're helping to secure that blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards. Normally that means locking your funds up, but VALR makes it flexible. You can allocate or unlock whenever you like, and your rewards are paid out every hour. Next up, on-chain earn, available for Ethereum and stablecoins like USDC and USDT. Here, your funds are routed directly into established DeFi protocols, where they are lent out to generate yield on-chain. Normally that means dealing with gas fees, smart contracts, and external wallets yourself, but VALR handles all of that for you. And finally, there's variable earn, also known as lending. This covers South African Rand alongside crypto like XRP, XAUT, and BNB. Here, your funds are lent directly to traders on VALR through hourly auctions, and you earn a return for supplying that liquidity. Because the rate depends on real-time demand to borrow, it moves up and down, which is why it's called variable. If you'd rather skip the decision-making, tap Quick Earn. VALR recommends an asset and product based on your account balance, with a button to buy and start earning in a couple of taps. If this tutorial has helped you, follow us for more breakdowns like this, and head over to the Earn tab to start earning on VALR today.